raining and the greenery over this area is so pleasant. And right now we are at Tiryani forest area, which is around 40 kilometers away from Mancherial. And this location is famous for a waterfall, which we call it as a Gundala waterfall. And we are moving towards that Gundala waterfall. We have to trek this whole hill area, and the location will be very beautiful, it seems. I haven't seen till now, but this is what we came for. But it is absolutely tiring journey, We have come up over a hill and we went into some water flowing area, and the whole area is filled with this kind of stones. It's fun walking here. I am tired so much, and my friends are still walking behind. If you can see there, they are still walking. These are our foods, and we have to carry like this. And we have met a person who stays in a nearby tribal small village, and his name was Sitaram. His name is Sitaram, and he is explaining us about the route and how to trek this hilly, this rock places. This is little horrible for a sensitive guy like who always stays home. See how sweaty I have turned. I'm so tired, of course, but this beautiful nature is pushing me, boosting me, and I am very enthusiastic to watch over the coming place. I want to share a lot, but my breath, I couldn't control it. I don't know how trekkers and mountaineers keep on going, keeping their breath in control. And the sounds you hear are my friends chit-chatting. See, this is the Sitaram. I wish I had some great camera so that I can show you the path always. This is how places have to trek mountains. This is just a small hill area, and it's not at all in slanting position. It's just like a straight wall with small gaps of stones in between to step forward, and that's how you climb. And still a lot more to go. Hope I could get some energy. We'll stay here until my friends come back. Stay tuned. We'll try to explain some more. Bye. Right. They pray here and they celebrate feast over here every year. సంవత్సరానికి ఎన్ని రోజులు చేసుకుంటారు ఇట్లా పండుగ ఇక్కడ జాతర ఎన్ని రోజులు చేసుకుంటారు? 5 రోజులు చేసుకుంటారు సంవత్సరం ఒక్కసారి. బాగుంది. ఈ వంట వండుకుంటారా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి? అక్కడ దేవుని దగ్గర వండుకుంటారా? That's what he's saying. There's another temple over here, and they come pray to the idol deity here, and they go cook over here and celebrate all together with families. They come, they eat, they cherish, and they thank God for the lands, prosperous agricultural lands, and the food they get from this forest area. And this deity is nothing but the god of forest. They just keep praying for not the horrible cruel wildlife to get into their houses and damage their animal husbandry or their animal wealth. And they also pray and thank this forest god every year for 5 days to give the same rich agricultural prosperity the next year. And they thank for the current year for these rains. స్లాంట్ ఉంది వీడియోనే ఆన్ చేసిన జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థనానే మన వాళ్ళకి చెప్పు అబ్బా జాగ్రత్త బాగా అవును మెల్లగా దాడు జారుతుంది బాగా Here there is another temple. This hilly area is full of sacred temples, you know. This is Lord Shiva. So when you go to this kind of sacred places, you know, you are not supposed to wear chappal. So as I am wearing now, I don't want to go nearby. But if you observe carefully, this is Lord Shiva's temple, and that's Nandi, the vehicle of Lord Shiva. And you can also see various idols of different gods of Hindu mythology. So this is a very spiritual place. So for spiritual lovers, it could be, you can call this as a spiritual adventure also. Sitaram. So narrow passages to walk in, and so narrow passages, very little hard yet worth walking on. So there are many ways to trek this mountain, and there are also many ways to come down. We chose an absolutely difficult path, which is very filled with heavy stones, and each stone is at different various heights. But it's leading to a beautiful spot. See, that's Gundala. That's Gundala. That's the waterfall. This is Gundala. See. And it's like raining all the day, but no, it's not raining. It has sprinkles of water. Sound. Right, bye.